Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun and easy Valentine's Day decor DIY. For this DIY, you're going to need some of the Dollar Tree Valentine's Day trees. They are super cute. Here's the barcode if you want to screenshot it, $1.25, and they come in 3 colors, and I'll add a picture at the very end of all 3 colors. You're going to need some pearls, and I ended up using the big pearls and then the medium-sized pearls for this. I didn't even open the smaller pearls. You're going to need your hot glue gun and glue sticks for this, and you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards and some tweezers to help apply the pearls. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine set on the low temp setting. So I'm just adding 3 dots of hot glue on the bottom of the heart, placing the pearls in the hot glue, then going to let them have time to dry. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. And like I said, you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. And my pearls also came from Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree DIY. I ended up on each heart placing 3 pearls. So at the beginning on the bottom, I had skipped like the corner piece on the right, but I went back and filled it in. So each heart that I could see completely got 3 pearls, and I started on the bottom and worked my way up to the top. I tried using the tweezers to add the pearls, and it was just easier for me to use my fingers. So it's up to you, whichever way works best for you. This is a super easy, fun, and inexpensive Valentine's Day decoration. Turns out super cute, and to elevate the look a little bit, I set my Valentine's Day trees on top of some pink candlestick holders that I found on sale at Goodwill. There are lots of different ways to decorate these felt heart Valentine's Day trees. You could use the little heart gems that stick on. You could use buttons. There's just lots of fun ways that you can decorate these trees, but I decided to go with these pearls, all from Dollar Tree. I hope you're enjoying watching me decorate these little trees. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. At the end of this video, I added some pictures of some other Valentine's Day DIYs that I have done so far in 2024. So if you haven't seen them, I would love for you to check those out. I can add some of the links in the description box for you.